Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go!
Comparing sample distributions to known population data is a classic statistics problem, so let us break down the exact steps to solve this quickly and accurately. We have a known population distribution from the country and a single sample of 200 households. We want to see if the city sample matches the country's expected percentages. Since we are comparing one categorical sample against a single known population distribution, we use the chi-square goodness of fit test. This measures how well observed counts fit expected percentages. Homogeneity and independence tests require two-way tables or comparing multiple groups. Here, we only have one group, so those tests do not apply. Goodness of fit is the correct choice. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid two-way tables and always use one sample goodness of fit test for this data.